nós três ela mama, então nós.
Hello and good day to our viewers. Today I will teach you how to reset the fuser of HP Laserjet M806. First, you will remove the side and rear cover of the fuser assembly. Just be careful not to damage this part, and notice also the spring installed on this part. After removing this cover, you will notice several wire connection and a PCB. Remove the connecting wire harness carefully. This is the PCB board of the fuser assembly. Then notice this part. This is the 1/4 watt 2 ohms resistor to be used to replace the damaged part. Remove the damaged resistor from the PCB board. You may use flux to easily melt the solder. Use desoldering pump to completely remove the solder. Now I will place the resistor. Make sure to solder it properly. Then let's check the continuity using a multi-tester. The value is 3 ohms, but it's okay due to its tolerance. Place the PCB board back on its place. Reconnect the wire harness. Then place back the fuser cover. Please be careful to assemble to avoid damage and notice the moving part. Thanks for watching.